Don't shake this one, huh? So good morning everyone. Hey, over there, hey! Last class we have studied up to
10.
question number 10, right? Page number 185. You have to by heart this table. Sine 0 degree, 0, sine 30 degree, half. That means these are the values. Okay? You have to by heart whole table. Now I teach you, there is a simple way to by heart this table. Video is clear and it is visible, complete visible. Okay. I will remove this one. Okay. Any problem?
No.
Because otherwise voice is not clear. So to draw this table, you need to by heart few things. How to by heart this one? It's not easy to by heart everything, okay? In math, science, social, everything you can't by heart. There are some technique, you can follow that technique and then you can remember that, okay? So the technique, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Okay. So this is theta, and in class 10 on, in class 10 you will be having some particular theta only, like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and last 90 degree. Only this many values you will be having. You will be not having 15 degree. Okay? That is little bit different. That you will be getting in class 11. Okay? So sine 0 degree means what? You have to by heart whole table. There is a simple way to by heart. First thing, this first line you have to by heart anyhow. You have to by heart. So this is 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. This you have to by heart. If you by heart these values, then you can draw whole table. 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Is it clear? Now cos means just reciprocal it. Reverse it. That is 1, we will keep 1 here. Next is root 3 by 2. So we will write root 3 by 2 here. Okay? Next is what? 1 by root 2. Next is what? Half. Next is what? 0. Okay? Now, Bittupan, sin theta equals to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay? Okay? Sainaz, cos theta means what?
So base by hypotenuse.
Base by hypotenuse. Is it clear to everyone? Clear to everyone? Now sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta equals to, can we say that P by H by B by H? Can we say?
Yes.
Now this H and this H is cancelled. What we are having? P by B means what? So can we say that tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta?
Yes.
Is it clear? So tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. So here tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. 0 by 1 is 0. This by this, 2 is cancelled. So we will be having 1 by root 3. Is it clear? Now same way, root 2 cancel 1. 2 cancel only root 3. And 1 by 0 is not defined. Okay, so this is not defined. Some places you will be having this type of value also, okay? That means it is infinity. Okay? Now you know that cosec is reciprocal of sine. Last class we have studied it. So cosec means reciprocal of sine. That means this is 0. So reciprocal of this, that means nothing is there in the denominator, that means 1. So reciprocal of 0 by 1 is
1 by 0.
1 by 0. 1 by 0 and 1 by 0 is
Defined.
not defined. This will become 2 by 1, that means 2. This is root 2. This is 2 by root 3. And this is 1. Clear? Now same way sec is reverse of cos. Otherwise you can directly substitute this value. Same only. That one will come here, this one. Same way. Okay? Okay? So what you have to do, you have to remember this first value. Second one just reverse it. And third one divide. If you remember this 3 value, that means if you can draw this 3 value, you can find other also. Okay? So we will do it by this. Cos, that is sec. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. That means this is 1. This is
2 by root 3.
2 by root 3. This is root 2. This is, and this is
Not defined.
not defined. Clear? Okay. Now cot is reverse of reciprocal of 10. So 10 is this one. So
Not defined.
not defined. This one, this one, this one. Is it clear to everyone? This is not defined. Not defined means 1 by 0. So reciprocal of this will be 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is? Okay? So this is the table. You have to by heart this one. Okay? So first value if you can by heart, you can make whole table. Okay? Now the question is why? In this chapter we will mainly study these 3 values. In other chapter also we will be studying these 3 values only. Okay? That means sin 30, 45 and 60, cos 30, 40, 60, tan 30, 45 and 60. This way we will study. Okay? Now the question is why sin 30 is half? Why sin 30 is half? Why it is not 1 by 3? Why it is not 1 by 4? Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? So write the question. Find, this is very important question for 4 marks. Find all the trigonometric ratio. Find all the trigonometric ratio. Find all the trigonometric ratio of 30 degree. Find all the trigonometric ratio of 30 degree. Yeah, Arindam, you have sent that question, right? That is wrong. You have taken right angle triangle, is it?
Yes.
But in the question it is given or what? It's a right angle triangle.
No.
No. So we can't do that way, okay? Okay, so you need to find the what? Trigonometric ratio of 30 degree. We know that trigonometry is applicable in a right angle triangle. Okay, so what I will do, I'll take an equilateral triangle. What is an equilateral triangle? All sides are equal. Okay, so let it be A, this is B, this is C. Is it a right angle triangle? So how I will apply this trigonometry? So what I will do, I'll draw a perpendicular plane. Now let it be M. Now can I say that this is a right angle triangle?
Yes.
And this is a right angle triangle. So I can apply that means trigonometry in this case and this case also. Is it clear? Now this is how much? 60 degree. This is how much?
90.
So this will be?
30.
So we got 30 degree. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? But we can't show directly this way. There is a proper way to represent your answer. I know answer, but I don't know how to solve that. I'll not get marks. I know what is the correct answer, but I don't know how to write. I'll not get marks. Is it clear to everyone? So proper representation is very, very important. So draw this diagram. I'll take this as 2A, and this will be A and A. Why it will be A? We'll study, okay? Video is going on or not?
Yes, sir.
And camera is okay?
Yes.
If somebody has stand, then kindly bring for me. Mobile stand. Not triangular one. Another type of stand is there. Some, what to say that one? Clip like something is placed. It's not? That one.
The one Gurjit sir is bringing.
No, not that one.
So tag means circle tag. You can keep at a place. The video goes on like that.
Not tripod. Gorib man bhai. Do anyone knows this one? Carpenter in your relative. You know? Can you bring one wood for me? How? I will tell you. Bring one keyboard this much size. Keyboard. And tell him to make hole there. That was like this. What to say? Like this is your keyboard. This is your keyboard. Not this much big. This much size. Mobile size. And tell him to make rectangular, that means keyboard hole here. So that I can place that mobile there. Understood? कम दाम में हो जाएगा. कम में. Understood or not? So next class, whenever I'll have, you bring that one, okay? Whatever money you will require, I'll not pay that. For that single piece of wood, what I could pay, okay? Okay, so what we have done, in the question you need to find all the trigonometric ratio of 30 degree. We don't know what is the value. So let us suppose that, right, let ABC be an equilateral triangle. Let ABC be an equilateral triangle. Let ABC be an equilateral triangle. In which AB equals to, as I am moving far, I have to speak loud. AB equals to what? BC. AB equals to BC. AB equals to BC, right? AB equals to BC equals to AC equals to 2A. Understood?
Yes,
AB equals to BC equals to AC is equal to 2A. We have assumed that the side is 2A. You can take A also, your choice. But I am taking 2A, this way it becomes easy. Okay? Otherwise, if you take A, it will come in fraction. This will be A by 2. And A by 2, you will get confusion also sometimes. That means those who have correct concept or good concept or the concept is clear, for them it is okay. But those who have many of students, they are afraid of maths. So they may make mistake here. Okay? Okay? So we have taken this one. Okay. And angle B equals to angle A equals to angle C. Equals to what? 60 degree. Because it is an equilateral triangle. Okay. Construction. What you need to find? Sorry, what construction we have done? AM perpendicular BC. Okay? This is the construction. Okay? Okay? Now prove. Now many of you are thinking that to prove we have not written. What we need to find? To prove. If you want, you can write all the trigonometric ratios 30 degree. Okay? Okay? Now prove. I know that in an equilateral triangle, if I draw a perpendicular from the vertical angle, then these two triangles are congruent. I know that. You know that. In an equilateral triangle, if I draw a perpendicular from a vertical angle, this is for the vertical angle. From that vertical angle, if I draw a perpendicular, then these two triangles will be congruent.
Yes, sir.
You know that.
Yes.
You know.
Yes.
So you can write this sentence and you can continue. Otherwise, what you can do, you can prove this triangle and this triangle as congruent. How can we prove that these two triangles are congruent? These two angles are equal. Okay. This is common
ABM.
and this and this are equal. So can we say that both are congruent by
RHS.
RHS? So when you say RHS, I don't know how you have studied in class 9. When you say RHS, it's better you write right angle, hypotenuse and then side. Otherwise, students what they do, they write common side and this side and then 90 degree. What the criteria you are using? So when you are using RHS, right angle, then hypotenuse and then side. If you are using side angle side, right side, then angle and then side. Are you getting my point? This way it will be easy for you to understand and even for the teacher also. Okay? Okay? Otherwise many a times it happens like student they have written answer but there is a confusion. How? Okay? So what I will do, I take in triangle A and B. Now if I have taken A and B, then I have to take another triangle as AMC. In this triangle, both the triangles are congruent by RHS, right? Can it be congruent by other way?
Yes.
How?
Side angle.
How side angle side?
Side,
Who
side,
said side angle side? Say. How?
Sir, side is AB equal to AC.
Ah.
One side. Then angle 60, angle B equal to angle C, 60.
Angle B equals to angle C 60. Very good.
So then BM equal to MC.
BM equals to
MC.
CM.
Yes, sir.
But this is not given, boy. After concurrent only this I have written directly.
So then AM equal to common.
AM equals to common. Then which criteria is this?
So side angle.
Side angle side. Compass. Sit down. Very good. It cannot be side angle side. It can be RHS or angle side. It can be by angle side. This angle and this angle are equal. These two angles are 90 degree. You can take this as common. So angle side. Or you can take this angle and this angle, this angle and this angle, and this side and this side. So again angle side. So by these two criteria only you can say that these two triangles are congruent. You can think this way also, side, this angle and this angle is equal. We have proved or what? These two angles are equal. But we know that this is equal. We know. But it is not equal. So you can't take that also. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
So we will prove it by RHS, okay? When you are having cough, don't remove your mask. You may infect other person also. Understood, right?
Get the point.
Don't come close to him when he is sneezing. After the school, you take him to the next, that means this one, second story, and throw him from there. There is one कहावत in Hindi, right? एक गंदा मछली पूरा तालाब को खराब कर So let that ganda machli die. Okay. So in this we can prove it by RHS. So right angle. What is right angle?
ABM.
So angle AMB equals to angle
AMC.
AMC. Why?
Each
Each 90 degree or both 90 degree or AM perpendicular BC, your choice. Right angle hypotenuse. Now what is hypotenuse?
AB.
So AB equals to AC. Why? Each 2n, or you can say side of an equilateral triangle. Any problem? Oh. Then next is AM equals to AM. Why?
Common side.
Common side. Therefore, triangle AMB concurrent to triangle AMC by RHS. If they are concurrent, can we say that BM equals to CM? Yes or no?
Yes.
Why?
CPCT.
By CPCT. Okay. If they are concurrent and they are equal, that is, can I say that BM equals to CM equals to AB by 2? Sorry. BC by 2? Half of BC or not? BC by 2? Is it clear?
Yes.
Now what was BC? 2A. All the sides are equal, right? In an equilateral triangle. So 2A. So BC is 2A. 2A by 2 equals to? So we got BM and CM as A. Now we got A, okay? Hi, Buji Bhai sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, can we say that angle BAM? You should know how to represent your answer. Angle BAM equals to angle CAM. Why? CPCT. Because these two triangles are concurrent. CPCT. If they are concurrent, so can I say that angle BA? Sorry, not so. That is angle BAM. You can write that is or also. Your choice, okay? Angle CAM equals to angle BAC by 2. If these two angles are equal, it means that this angle is half of this. So half of this, that means BAC. Understood or not? Now BAC means what? 60 degrees. So can we say 60 by 2 equals to 30 degrees? Any problem? Now this is 30 degrees. Now I am writing it here because we wanted 30 degrees. So we got 30 degrees. Okay? Clear everyone? Now this is our, okay. Now in this triangle, what was the question? Trigonometric ratio of 30 degrees. That means theta is 30. This will be base. This will be, and this is, we know hypotenuse, we know, do we know base? So we will apply Pythagoras theorem in this. So we will say that now in triangle you have to mention which triangle, A, B, M or A and B, whatever. We can say directly we can apply.
Yes.
Can we say AM square equals to AB square minus BM square? Can we say directly? Can we say? Or you can apply Pythagoras theorem, your choice. Same only, Pythagoras theorem. Directly I am finding the answer. So AM, do we know AM?
No.
So AM is AM square. What is AB? So 2A square, whole square. Minus, what is BM? A. Now AM square equals to 4A square minus A square. Now this is AM equals to root over 3A square. Now this can be written as root 3A. That means this value is root 3A. Any confusion? Any confusion? Oh, anyone, any confusion? Again, right again. In triangle ABM. In triangle ABM. Again, in triangle ABM. Done. ABM. Now can we say that sine 30 degree? Now sine 30 degree, what is sine 30 degree? Now let's see, this is theta. Now you leave this triangle. Now you forget this triangle. You forget this triangle. Now this is your triangle. Because you are taking in this 30 degree, okay? Okay?
Yes.
Now this is 30 degree. Sine means what?
BM.
Perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular here? BM. So we can write BM by AB. So what is BM? A by 2A. AA cancel? 1 by 2. You got sine 30. Now you can write cos 30. Same way tan 30. Fine. Then cosec 30, sec 30 and cot 30. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Find the value, you know how to find. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. This is 2. This is 2 by root 3. And this is root 3. Just see you got these values or not. Substitute properly. Now, after solving till here, you will receive 4 marks. Done? Sec. Cosec is reverse of sine. So right, hypotenuse to perpendicular. Confusion. Now check your value. Sine, where is cos? Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Whatever. Just check it. It is correct or not? Sine 36, then these other values. Is it correct? Is it correct? Okay. Now next question. If it is over, check your the table, page number 185. The answer is correct or not. If it is correct, very good. If the answer is wrong, that means you are wrong. Okay. Now, same question, 60 degree. Now same question, 60 degree. Same question, 60 degree, okay? Find all the trigonometric ratio of 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. Ready? Now in case of 60 degree, again 60 degree means trigonometry is applicable in a right angle triangle. We will draw an equilateral triangle. A, B, C, and we will draw a perpendicular here so that trigonometry can be applied. This is 2A, and same way we will solve this one and we will be getting this as A and A. Okay? Okay? Given will be same. Now listen properly. I am explaining everything, you will do it now. Given is same. Okay? Construction is same. Proof is same. No need to write this one because we don't want 30 degrees. Just eliminate this one. Okay? Just eliminate this one also. No need. No need this one. Up to this much. Okay? Same thing you will copy. Then in triangle this you will find AM. AM you will get root 3A. This will be root 3A. Okay? This is 60 degree. Now apply trigonometry in this triangle. That's all. Okay? These two steps you have to remove.
So we have to write from first.
Given, construction, proof, everything you have to write. Solve quickly. Maritam, you will bring for me or not that wood? No problem, right? If you want paisa, tell me, huh? If you will be requiring money, you just tell me, huh? We'll collect from the class. Why I will pay, huh? You will get benefit from this. So 1 rupees, 2 rupees, if you donate, no problem. Angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to 60 degree. AB equals to BC equals to AC is equal to 2A. And write 2A, 2A. Acha. And that angle B is 60 degree. Rest everything copy paste. Only this last one you have to see properly and you have to do it. Don't do it directly, huh? This is 60 degree, right? So give 60 degree here. Then sin 60 means perpendicular hypotenuse AM. This way. Whenever you write this value, the number is written first and the unknown quantity, that means variable, is written afterwards. It's not a root 3, it is root 3a. Have you seen 2x, 3x? Have you seen ever x2, x then 2? No, we don't write this one. These are basic concepts, okay? We should always write coefficient first, then the unknown quantities, that means x, y, z, x square, y square, whatever. Once it is over, just tell me, okay? And check answers from your book. Page number 185. If anybody have confusion, you can ask me. If you write so many things like this, by Pythagoras theorem, Phalana Dikara, you will waste your time, okay? So you should know how to reduce your steps. If your handwriting is speed, then no problem. If your handwriting is slow, no need to write so many things. Whatever the thing is required, just write those things, okay? Otherwise you will lose your time by Pythagoras theorem, because my handwriting was very slow. So after knowing also, I was not able to complete my paper. Done? You can write anything. Which one? What? You can write 1 by sin. But thing is same only. 1 by sin, then again you have to put the value of sin. So it's better to write directly AB by AM. Then reverse that one, same thing. Okay, then you can write another question, same question, this time 45 degree. Find all the trigonometric ratio of 45 degree. Huh? Then do it. Degree. Time is over, right? How much?
No, 5,
11 o'clock. Exact.
no, 10, 11,
11. So next question. I will explain you and you will do it by your own. Any problem? Now the question was, find all the trigonometric ratio of 45 degree. Now listen properly everyone. You should use your common sense also. Now 45, if you take an equilateral triangle, you will never get 45 degree. If you don't get 45 degree, how you will find the trigonometric ratio of 45? So what we will do, we know that trigonometry is applicable in a right angle triangle. So we will take a triangle that is isosceles right triangle. This is 90 degree. Isosceles right triangle, that means these two angles will be equal or not?
Yes.
So if this is 90, these two are equal, that means these two will be 99, 45, 45. So that means we got 45 degree. Any problem? Let it be A, B, C. Let this one be A. So this will be A because they are equal. Isosceles right triangle. So you'll say that given ABC is an isosceles right triangle in which AB equals to BC equals to 2A. Okay? And then angle C equals to 45 degree. Okay? Then you will apply Pythagoras theorem in this and you will be getting this one as root 2A. Okay? Then sine 45. After finding this, sine 45. So sine 45. Sine means what? P by h. So this is P by h. That means 1 by root 2. Correct? Same way, cos 45. Cos means base by hypotenuse. So again 1 by root 2. Correct? Then cos 10. 10 means hypotenuse by base.
Perpendicular.
So perpendicular by base. Understood? And same way you will reciprocal the other thing, you will get your answer. So don't write directly, you will write AB by BC or BC by CD, whatever. Okay? Okay? And that's all for today's class. Next day we'll start with exercise 8.3. Okay?
Sir, no proof will remain 90 degree.
No need. Trigonometry is applicable in a right angle triangle. This is 90 degree. If this is 0 degree, then this would be, so this is 90 or 90 must be like this. So how it will form a triangle? Okay, so that's why that is been not taken. That means no need to solve that. If you want, you can check it from preparation. Okay, that's all for today's class. Next day we'll continue with exercise 8.2.